What is going on today, YouTube? Today we're watching Rain, Rain, Go Away. Apparently this short horror film won massive awards and shit like that. But I'm gonna see why they did. I'm gonna see if they really deserve it, bruh. I wanna find out. Rain, Rain, Go Away, come back another day. Okay, are we tattooing? I want a tattoo so bad, but I'm just like a pussy. Do y'all have tattoos? Yes or no? I just can't commit. I feel like one day I'm gonna wake up and be like, man, this shit sucks. Why did I get SpongeBob tattooed on my back? Couldn't tell you.
First time?
Just like me. Actually, there won't be a first time. I just refuse to do it.
You're a late bloomer then.
Yeah, I suppose.
And it costs so much money.
So why the change of heart?
My grandfather died recently. He used to buy them whenever it rained.
Death. It's a bitch, right?
Stop talking to me and tattoo me. I didn't pay for a therapy session. And stop digging in so deep to her skin. She's new to this, not true to this. I'm not leaving a tip. You can be mad all you want. Did you just draw a circle? Yeah, you would think I don't want to be infected. Do your job. Ooh, you got a flower? He used to buy flowers? He was a gardenist. You got a green thumb? Greener than mine, at least. Every plant I've owned has died. Bro, is he singing in my...
You okay?
Be better if you would hurry up. Thanks for the shit tattoo, man. Where we at? We in Brooklyn? We in New York? We in Harlem with it. You look like you got money. We're gonna call this girl Sarah. Did he even say her name? It don't matter. Sarah's doing honk shoes right now. That tattoo put her straight to sleep, dog. Oh no, you're a sleep talker, you're evil. She really likes that song. That shit went triple platinum in your childhood?
Hello?
Hi, Clary. It's Poppy. I'm Poppy Trower.
Okay.
Poppy?
Yeah.
It's so nice you called.
I'm
Is it?
sorry to do this. I got your number from your mum. I
From
just
your
wanted
mum?
to say I'm sorry about your grandfather.
Now you ruined my day.
That's okay. That's all I needed to say.
You woke me up from my slumber to tell me that?
Thanks.
It could have been in a text message.
Well, have a good night.
I'm sorry, but... Poppy, why are you calling me? It's been years.
I don't know if I can. I need to go now.
I have heard nothing from you. You basically ghosted me when you moved away. And now you're calling me for what?
Yeah, clock it.
Yeah?
I'm sorry. We're done here.
Don't hang up.
Beep beep beep. Oh.
I just needed closure.
From what?
Why?
From dumping me as a friend?
Yes, tear her apart.
Closure from what?
Make her feel stupid.
You met him a couple of times. He's dead and suddenly you care.
It only happened late.
I like how you stand on business, very assertive. You must be a Virgo. What zodiac y'all think she is? She's either a Virgo or a Cancer. What? You don't have flowers in your house, right? So that was strange.
It's raining. Let's not go out today.
Oh. Is that your grandfather? Now, why would your grandfather be haunting you? Ugh. Is that shit infected? Dude, I don't want to look at that no more. Tell him to go haunt the tattoo artist that gave you that. Are we in the Matrix? Why is everything blue? You took the blue pill or the red pill? I would have taken both. Actually, what would happen if I took both? Would I just die? I never saw the Matrix, clearly. Now, if there's someone behind you, I swear to God. What? Oh, I get it. We're dreaming. I'm gonna be honest, man. I think you're going to hell. Sure, let's just stare at it. You in a trance? DJ, turn me up. Ladies, it's show jam. I'ma set Moscato. Oh, nar. Nar, 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 nar.
I told the rain to go away.
I want you to go away.
I did it for you, my darling.
Did what? I don't think I want that.
Smell
No. What happens if I... Yeah, try repenting for all the things you've done. Oh, is this a dream? I'm starting to think you did this, Sarah. Did you kill your grandfather? There's just no other reason why he would want to haunt you. Sarah, what is this outfit, bro? Why do you have a crew neck over a button-up shirt? Who dressed you? Because this outfit is atrocious. We're gonna take you shopping, bro. We're gonna take you to Hot... Okay. Maybe you do belong in Hot Topic. Maybe Spencer's. Ugh, why your blood look black? Do we have to see? Ooh. Ah. Do we have to see this? Ooh. Yep. Just rip it off, bro. Just, like a band-aid. Just do it. You're taking too long. You're making it hurt more the more you're waiting. Ooh. Are we safe now? I wonder what would hurt more, burning it off or ripping it off like that. Ew, was that the skin? Are we safe now? Can we go to bed and go back to normal life? Has it been daytime once yet? It's just been dark. Please turn on the lights. Turn on the lights for me, baby. What?
I just needed closure.
Closure from what?
Your grandfather.
He's dead and suddenly you care?
He felt me up, Clary.
Clary? No, your name is Sarah. Your name is Sarah. Gaz Hayden, the tattoo artist. Isabella, Poppy's voice. Written by Talia. Directed by Papino. Produced by yada yada yada. I don't give a fuck about these people. Oof. I could definitely see why this won some awards. I'm gonna be honest. What did you guys think of that? Like, honestly, I mean, cinematography, or however you say it, that was really well directed. Phenomenal acting, I'd say. Story and all the other shit. I feel like everything else was doing great and the story got carried, but you know. I did enjoy it, I'd say. Who is singing right now? I don't think I like that song anymore. I don't think I want to hear that song ever again. Be honest, guys. Do y'all want to hear that song right now? Have y'all ever sang that song before? Like, trying to get the rain to go away, like, actually? If you did, you're stupid. But I just want to know, like I said, bro. We don't judge people here. We listen and we don't judge. Be honest with yourself and with us. We're a family now. But yeah, leave a like, guys. That was pretty fucking good. That was pretty good. I'm clap it up for them. Leave a comment and let me know if you're an idiot or not. And guys, click the video above my head. We'll be posting these, I don't know, sporadically now. I don't know if we're posting every day anymore because YouTube's on some bullshit. But check that video out above my head and I'll catch you guys whenever I post again. Sayonara.